How to create a landing page in 5 minutes with ConvertKit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a landing page in ConvertKit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your ConvertKit website and log into your account. After that, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Over here, click on Grow from the top panel. After that, click on Landing Pages and Forms. Then on the next page, you will see a section that says Landing Pages. Click on Create a Landing Page. On the next page, you will see Filter by Category on the left. Over here, choose the category you prefer. For now, I will go with Event. Then just click on Choose for the template you like. After that, on the next page, you can edit your template however you want. Over here, you can choose the text and make customizations according to your preferences. Once you're done making all the necessary changes and editing your landing page, click on Publish on the top right. You can also choose to save your landing page. So that's how you can create a landing page in ConvertKit. That's all for this video.